My name's Ben. I work in quality management while studying towards a degree in business management. I chose an apprenticeship because I knew coming out of school I didn't want to go to university and end up with a huge student debt. And for myself personally, I really struggled to just sit in a lecture theatre or a lesson all day without being able to apply it to some context within a workplace. When I had the opportunity to apply for an apprenticeship at Rolls-Royce Motor Cars, in a company that produces such incredible cars and incredible products, I couldn't really turn that opportunity down. And now being able to work here and see the wonderful cars that we make every day, and while applying the context I learned in university, is fantastic. I think for me, it's the opportunity to go throughout the business on so many different placements. My home department is in quality management, but so far I've had the opportunity to work in Leathershop, Woodshop and logistics as well, and currently completing a placement in sales as well. I really enjoyed working in logistics because the team I was working with were really good fun, and they made me feel really comfortable in there as soon as I'd start my placement. But also working in Leathershop, Woodshop and sales, I've been involved in lots of really interesting activities, using my skills, and I think it's really important that once I've started working there, people are able to see what you're good at and really utilise your skills and help the whole team develop. For me, being on the apprenticeship, that's one of the most valuable things, is meeting new people, whether they're apprentices or they've worked in this company for 20 years. I've sort of been able to grow my network so much now that if I ever have an issue, I've always got someone I can turn to. With my university work, normally my assignment consists of an improvement within an area of a business. I normally use Rolls-Royce as my business example, and I'm able to speak to people at work and use the network I've developed by going on placements to really find areas that I can improve and then implement that into my university work. Myself and a group of apprentices have worked on a project together to bring apprentices together called the Apprentice Network, and we've had the opportunity to present to management within Rolls-Royce and also the BMW Group, which has really helped us all to develop our presentation skills but also our confidence. Within the apprenticeship, there's some apprentices I play football with. We've gone on events like bowling, we've all met up sort of to go out together as a group. And also with the Apprentice Network, I'm able to sort of meet lots of other apprentices within a formal setting, but also have slightly informal chats about hobbies or what we've done on the weekend, and also the opportunity to find people who maybe have more experience in a certain aspect of the business than I do, or another apprentice does, to help with projects or any tasks they're working on.